Hello friends, welcome to Catalyst Chemistry. As we discussed last class, most important hyperconjugative effect. Why hyperconjugative effect is the most important? Because in this case what tertiary, the tertiary carbocation, after that secondary, after that what primary, this is the order for what hyperconjugative effect. In tertiary carbocation there is a what totally 9 hyperconjugative effect, means what 9 CH bonds are going to what mechanism, means what going to show. Okay, next after that what in secondary carbocation that will show what 6, after that what primary is there. Okay, that is why in this case the hyperconjugative effect are most important, because of what tertiary is having a more stable. Okay, next after that another important point, today we are going to discuss the next important point is what, that is stability of free radical. Free radical stability order and hyperconjugative order both are same. Just here in this case order is tertiary, secondary, next one is what primary is there. Here is there no, this carbon containing free radical, this carbon is free radical, this carbon is what a free radical mechanism. Okay, CH3 CH3, total how many CH3s are there? 3 CH3s are there, one carbon containing free radical, this is indicate what a tertiary. After that this is what secondary, after that this is what a primary, this is the order of what a free radical. Okay, stability order, this is also important, bear in mind. Okay, now the next important point is what, types of reaction. Types of reaction is also most important. Okay, in this case how many types are there? Totally 4 types are there. The first one is substitution reaction, the second one is what, addition reaction, the third one is what, elimination reaction, fourth one is what, a rearrangement reaction. In entrance exams also they are going to ask you, they will provide one reaction, after that they are going to ask you what type of reaction is it. Okay, in this 4 options they will provide. One is substitution, addition, elimination, rearrangement. Okay, first one is what, substitution reaction. Substitution reaction means what, in this case replacing takes place. Replacing means organic reactions which produced in a replacing an atom or a group of atom. An atom or a group of atoms are called substitution reaction. Just here one example is there, CH4Cl2 in the presence of HNO. If HNO is there, in this case homolytic cleavage takes place or heterolytic cleavage takes place. Obviously what, homolytic cleavage takes place. If homolytic is there, there is a formation of what, free radical. Heterolytic is there, there is a formation of what, ions that may be positive and what, negative. Just here in this case CH4 next Cl2, in this case what, HNO is there. If you want you can write a mechanism, just I am going to write here. Okay, just here Cl2 is there, this Cl2 I am going to write like this. Okay, in this case what happen, homolytic cleavage takes place, one is free radical possible, in this case what, free radical possible. In CH4 is also same, this carbon containing what, how many hydrogens, 4 hydrogens. Okay, in this case also what happen, the here on free radical possible, here on free radical possible. Okay, after that what happen, here Cl free radical, this H free radical can mix up to form HCl. Next after that this Cl is going to attack on, in this case finally there is a formation of product is what, less one hydrogen, that is CH3Cl plus release of what, HCl. This is the first one, this is what, first one. Just here in this case according to definition, organic reactions which produced in a replacing an atom or a group of atom. Just here in this case what, replacing an atom, what, hydrogen atom by what, Cl atom. If you want to replace one atom, then you have to add one atom, that is compulsory in what, substitution reaction. Okay, that is what important. Next in this case continue of this one, possibility replacing. CH3Cl is there, I am going to consider first one what, CH3Cl only. Okay, CH3Cl. Next after that in this case again I am going to add a Cl2, same in the presence of HNO, no problem. Again in this case you have to remove one hydrogen, if you are going to remove one hydrogen, CH2 Cl2, because satisfy the carbon. Next after that release of what, HCl, no problem. Next you have to take this one, again CH2 Cl2, after that you have to add Cl2 in the presence of what, HNO. Next in this case you have to replace one hydrogen, carbon, one hydrogen, how many Cl, CH3 Cl3, next after that what, HCl. Next you have to take this one CH3, after that you have to add Cl2 in the presence of what, HNO is what, light. Finally there is a formation of completely remove of hydrogen, CCl4 plus release of what, HCl. What is the name of this one, carbon tetrachloride, common name. If you want IUPAC name, tetrachloromethane is a IUPAC name. I am going to write general name, usually they called carbon tetrachloride. Okay, carbon tetrachloride. IUPAC name is what? Tetrachloromethane. Tetrachloromethane. This is what? IUPAC name. Okay, this is what substitution reaction. Bear in mind, in this case what happen, one is nucleophilic substitution reaction, another one is what? Electrophilic substitution reaction possible. So, I am going to consider two example, one for nucleophilic, another for what? Electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay. First one, nucleophilic means you know very well about that, the nucleophile. The nucleophile is what? Electron rich. Okay, nucleophile is what? Electron rich, you know very well. Okay, first I am going to consider here small heading electrophilic or nucleophilic. First, if you want, you can consider nucleophilic, no problem. Nucleophilic substitution, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, nucleophilic substitution reaction. This one is L. Okay, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Just here, in this case, I am going to consider one example. CH3 CH2, here is what? Cl is there, here is what? Cl is there. After that I am going to add a KOH. This KOH is aqueous KOH. Aqueous KOH means the OH minus is act as a nucleophile, obviously. Okay. Next there is a formation of this OH minus K plus. Next after that this OH minus is going to attack this carbon. Cl will go out, that is indicate what? Substitution. Next in this case replacing. Substitution, replacing, replace one atom. Finally, there is a formation of product is what? CH3, CH2, OH plus release of what? KCl, potassium chloride. Just here, in this case, they are going to ask you this given reaction is substitution, addition, elimination, rearrangement. The answer is what? Substitution reaction. Okay. Next heading is what? That is second one. Electrophilic. See here. Okay. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction means I am going to consider what? This is benzene. After that, in this case, what? This can react with the concentrated what? HNO3. Next, after that, what? H2SO4 concentrated. These two are indicate what? Nitrating mixture. In nitrating mixture, compulsory you have to maintain temperature 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, that is mandatory. Then only you are going to get a good yield, otherwise not possible. Next, in this case, what happens? This is benzene ring is there, no? Okay. Next, after that, in this case, what happens? This mixture of these two, constant HNO3 and constant H2SO4 mixture is there, no? This mixture of these two, there is a generation of electrophile, that is what? NO2 plus. Which electrophile? NO2 plus electrophile, there is a generation. This NO2 electrophile is going to attack on the benzene ring. Okay. There is a formation of product is what? That is nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene plus release of what? Hydrogen. Here at least hydrogen is there, no? Okay, every carbon containing what? One hydrogen. In this case, what? Hydrogen is replacing by what? NO2 plus. This is indicate what? Electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, that's most important. Plus release of what? Water molecule. If you want, you can write, no problem. Plus release of what? Water molecule. Up to this is indicate what? Substitution reaction. The next one is there, that is what? Addition reaction. Okay, addition. If you want, you can take a screenshot, no problem. Okay friends, listen here, the second one is what? Addition reaction. Okay, the second one is addition reaction. In this case, important point is what? Unsaturated. Unsaturated means what? There must be a carbon-carbon double bond or it may be a triple bond. Okay, that is unsaturated. Unsaturated compounds containing pi bonds, obviously. Okay, no problem. Which are formed by the sideways overlapping. You know very well, this is very well about that. This one is indicate what? Head to head overlapping. Like this is there. This one is what? Side by side overlapping. This how side by side overlapping takes place. This point we will study in what? Hydrocarbons. Okay, then in that hydrocarbons, alkane is there, alkenes is there, next one is what? Alkynes is there. In that case, we will study what? Sideways overlapping. I will show in there only. Okay, no problem. Just you have to bear in mind sideways overlapping of what? Unhybridized p orbital. The bonds break easily, resulting in the formation of addition product. In this case, just here, you know very well about that. What is the name of this one? Now tell me. CH3 C double bond OH. What is the name of this one? Aldehyde. This here is what aldehyde IUPAC name is what ethanol. Just here in this case what this is a H plus, next this is what a Cn minus. The Cn minus is act as a nucleophile. In this case what happen, this is going to attack automatically. In this case what happen, the carbon oxygen double bond is going to break. Okay, there is a formation of product is CH3 as it is, you have to write. Next after that in this case what happen, there is a formation of negative charge O minus. Here H plus is there, no, that O minus combined with what H plus to form a OH. Okay, next one is what Cn is attack on what this carbon. In this case what happen, there is a formation of OH, this Cn is what as it is, next this is what hydrogen. This is the what final product. Okay, that is why in this case important, bear in mind this is the what product. Okay, that is why. Next one is what in this case, what is the IUPAC name means, this is act as a functional group. This is a what carbon number 1, this is a 2, this is a 3, 2 hydroxy propane nitrile IUPAC name. Okay, 2 hydroxy propane nitrile. Okay, propane nitrile is a IUPAC name. Cn group is act as a what nitrile. This is act as a what functional group, no suffix. Okay, 2 hydroxy propane nitrile. Okay, this is a what addition reaction. Just here in this case addition, there is no removal, but in substitution reaction there is a what one is going to add, means one is going to substitute, one is going to remove, but in this case not like that. Okay, directly in this case what addition takes place. Okay, this is what one example. Next in this case addition reaction is what sub part. One is what electrophilic addition reaction, the second one is what free radical addition reaction. The first one okay, electrophilic addition reaction, compulsory in this case what unsaturated electrophilic addition reaction. Okay, electrophilic addition reaction compulsory in this case, you have to consider what unsaturated CH3 CH double bond what CH2 in the presence of what HBr. Okay, just here in this case what this is a H plus, this is what Br minus. This Br minus is going to attack on what this carbon, means you know very well about that this is the Markovnikov rule. Okay, Markovnikov, another one is anti Markovnikov, completely opposite, no, that is carbon containing less number of hydrogen, the incoming nucleophile is going to attack on that carbon only, that is indicate what Markovnikov. Just here you have to consider only carbon carbon double bond, do not consider this one, because of our target is what unsaturated compound. If unsaturated is there, then only what addition is possible. That is why in this case the incoming nucleophile is going to attack on this carbon, automatically what happens in this case, what this double bond is going to break. Double bond is going to break, in this case formation of what negative charge. Here H plus is there, H plus attack on what this carbon. Finally there is a formation of product is what very simple. If CH3 is there, next in this case what one is a Br, another one is hydrogen as it is, next one is what CH3, 2 bromopropane, 2 bromopropane is the what IUPAC name. Okay, is it clear? This is what Markovnikov. So you know very well about that Markovnik and anti Markovnik, I explained so far. Okay, electrophilic addition reaction, this will come under what Markovnikov rule. Okay, is it clear? The next one is what free radical addition reaction. The next one is what free radical addition reaction, that is second sub part, free radical addition reaction. Okay, free radical addition reaction. Oh, one point is there. Okay, free radical addition reaction. Just here free radical addition reaction completely opposite of Markovnikov rule. Same example you have to consider, but important thing is just here. Okay, HBr in the presence of H2O2. Okay, if peroxide are there, means H2O2 is act as a hydrogen peroxide, generally peroxide. If peroxide is there, that will undergo anti-Markovnikov rule. This is a mandatory, fix this is. Okay, if hydrogen peroxide or any other peroxide, means what one more is there, benzoxide is there, benzene peroxide is there. Okay, in this case what happen, HBr is there, this is a what H plus, this is a what Br minus. This Br minus is going to attack on this carbon or this carbon, completely opposite of Markovnikov rule. This carbon containing more number of hydrogen, that is why Br is going to attack on this carbon, automatically this carbon carbon double bond is going to break. Okay, finally there is a formation of product, I am going to write here only. CH3 is there, this is act as a CH2, this is act as a CH2, next one is what Br, 1 bromopropane is a IUPAC name. Okay, this is what final product. You have to start from here. This is a 1, 2, 3, 1 bromopropane. You have to write 1 bromopropane is a IPAC nomenclature. Okay. Up to this one is indicate what? Addition reaction. Okay, in this class 2 reactions are completed. One is substitution reaction, addition reaction, make it perfect. Okay friends, subscribe and promote the channel. Thank you.